Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty mobile game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. From here, just tap on the search button and then type in Call of Duty and start your search. Once you find the Call of Duty mobile game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Call of Duty game on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you can tap on the play button in order to open up the game and start playing right away. You will need to log in using your Google account or your Call of Duty as well as your Facebook account in order to proceed forward. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Call of Duty mobile game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.